What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video I wanted to talk about how to make an impact on the world. So how to make an impact in the world, I'm going to give you 3 steps to do it. So first of all, serve others. Serve others with your gifts, your talents, and your passions. A blog and start creating content on your blog. Maybe you have a gift for speaking, make videos, or speak to people one-on-one and talk to people. Maybe you have a gift for woodworking, sell woodworking to people that need it, people that really need it. Whatever it is, use your gifts, your passions, your talents to serve. Okay, number 2, consistent. To stay consistent with it is the key to making an impact. If you really want to make a big impact, you're gonna have to stay consistent with what you're doing. So every day, you gotta do a little bit every day and keep that momentum. That's the key, is momentum, good momentum. So keep going. If you don't feel like it one day, don't stop. But even if it's just 20 minutes a day, keep going, be consistent. Number 3 is build a team. If you really wanna make a massive impact on the world, you gotta build a team. So whether that's just hiring people on websites to do different things for you once you've grown enough to actually make money from it. And by the way, money is a tool to make an impact as well. So if you make money from what you're doing, that's even better, because then you can pay people to serve more and more people. It's important, even if it's just your partner in whatever you're doing, in your vision, or your friend or whatever. Having a team is really important to making an impact as well. So those are 3 ways to make an impact, or 3 steps to make an impact. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless. Appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.